Are you ready?
Yes. Yes, Dad.
Very good. And to start with, what is your name?
My name is Superman.
Hello, Superman. How old are you? How old are you?
I'm
7 years old. And how are you today? How are you today? Good to know. And are you hungry? No, I'm not.
No, not.
Are you cold?
No,
Are you hot?
no,
No, I'm not. And are you sad?
no.
Okay, what colors do you like?
I love you.
Oh, you like blue. Do you like red?
Yes,
Yes, I do.
yes, I do.
Do you like yellow?
Yes, I do.
What color is this?
Yes, I do.
It's red. Very good. High five. What letter is it?
Little Osa,
Good. What letter is it?
little pizza,
What letter is it?
little
Q.
pizza, little Osa.
All right, and we can say the word that has sound. M. What do you see? I see
I see rainbow.
a rainbow. And can you tell me, Superman, what is your favorite color in the rainbow? What is your favorite color? I like.
I blue.
Oh, you like blue. What do you see? I see a plane. What about orange? Good. Do you like oranges? Yes, you do. What do you see? What can they do? What can they do? The fish can. Can fish jump? Yes or no? Can fish swim? Yes. And what about, look and say the word that has sound. Popcorn. What do you see? I see a fox. Good. I see a fox. Good. And look and say the word that has sound. Robot. What do you see? A map. Good job. Now, Teacher Red has got a big picture. Are you ready? What do you see? I see a monkey. Do you like monkeys? No, you don't. What's this? It's a nest. Good. How many eggs are there? There are. How many eggs are there? There are 2 eggs. There are 2 eggs. Yes. And is this an ostrich? Yes, it is. Or you simply say yes, okay? And what's the beginning letter? Letter O. Good job. What do you see? What color is it? It's blue. There's no A. It's white. And okay, who is she? Who is she? She is the queen. She is the queen. And this a rose. One more time. What's this? Do you like roses? Do you like roses? Yes, I do. No, I don't. And that concludes our listening test, Superman. Goodbye. Okay, good.